Conversation AI can now help respond to incoming emails with the same intelligence and personalization available across other chat channels, including support for email-specific features. Let's check the changes. A dedicated configuration layer is available for email-specific formatting and design. You can define default recipients for all AI responses. Select between plain text and the design editor to create a format that the AI agent can follow. Let's learn how to add and configure the email channel in your Conversation AI agents. To start, navigate to the Conversation AI tab in the AI Agents section. Within Conversation AI, you can edit an already existing bot or create a new bot. Enable the email channel from the channel drop-down inside the bot settings. Click Configure Email Settings to set the response details. Set the sender details and reply behavior, then click Proceed. Create your email template, review it, and once satisfied, click Save. This enables Conversation AI to provide a unified automation experience across chat and email, easily processing and responding automatically based on configured rules and context. We hope you enjoy it.